Hi there and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy fish sticks using the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using is the Cosori 5.8 quart. I will be using catfish for this recipe. Feel free to use a different type of fish if you would rather. Cod or halibut would work out really well. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's start by getting our breading together. I have 1.5 cups of panko breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and in here I have 2 teaspoons of paprika and a 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Now the paprika is optional. I like to add paprika because it gives off a nice color. Now I'll get this all mixed well. All right, I'll move this to the side. Now we are ready to make our batter. In my bowl I have 1 egg. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Now below in the description I will list the website where I found this recipe, and that will also give you the list of ingredients. And we need to get this all mixed together. I have my catfish, just over a pound. I rinsed these off in cold water and patted them dry with paper towels. I am going to slice these about 1 inch in thickness or so, and I'm going to cut the long way. This first slice is going to be a little wonky. I'll just cut this stringy piece off here. All right, I will finish these up and then we'll go on to the next step. Now we are ready to batter our fish up and get it into our breading. I'm just going to throw all of these in here and get them coated well into our batter. Now we are ready to bread our fish and we will be home free. Place some of these in here. Should have used my other hand. I had to take my glove off now. Get these all coated well into our breading. Shake off the excess. All right, I'll go ahead and finish these up real quick. I have these all breaded up. We are ready to place these into the air fryer basket. Pretty sure I am going to have to do 2 batches. One more little step. I'm going to spray the top of our fish sticks with some avocado oil. All right, we are ready to pop these into the air fryer. Okay, I have the air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to start it off for 15 minutes. I'm guessing it's going to take anywhere between 12 to 15 minutes. About halfway through the cooking time, we're going to take a peek at these and possibly flip them over at that time. All right, we are 5 minutes in and I just took a peek at these. These are getting done way faster than I thought it would, so we are going to flip these over now. We got a nice golden brown going on. Flip these over. All flipped, and again I'm going to spray this side with some avocado oil. And we'll pop them back in and we will check on these in about 5 minutes. We are a total of 11 minutes in. I'm going to take a temperature on these. The fish is safe to eat at 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, and we are good. I will plate these up and I will try one of these out. These are nice and crispy. The fish is flaky, delicious. These fish sticks turned out really well. They were nice and crispy. Here is a tilapia air fryer recipe you might be interested in checking out next. The video below that is whatever YouTube thinks you would like to watch. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching.